Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be at Palm Beach Gardens touring a new home they have in a luxury 55 plus resort community. So if you want to see more of what they have to offer, stay until the end and remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. So here we have the Joliet model by Toll Brothers. The Joliet is going to give you over 2,134 square feet under air, 2 bedrooms and a study, 2.5 bathrooms, and you can see directly out to the backyard through the lanai from the foyer and the kitchen. From there, you'll get a better feeling of how high the ceilings are, as well as all the space you get with countertops and cabinetry in the kitchen. But if you're looking for something more move-in ready or don't want to worry about the entire construction process, they have some homes for sale in this community. So if you want more information about those, or you want to see more of their homes, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you too. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just one of the many beautiful homes here in Palm Beach. And as always, I'm gonna put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to make a move, wanna get an idea if this would work for you, I'm here to help you with that.